Hello friends, today I am sharing bhindi recipe. I know you love it. In a pan, dry roast 1 tablespoon coriander whole at low flame for 40 to 50 seconds. Afterwards, remove from the flame. Then add 1 tablespoon anar dana, stir for 30 to 40 seconds and then grind to make fine powder. Also make a paste of 3 medium-sized tomatoes in a chopper. Now, heat 3 tablespoons cooking oil at high flame. When the oil is hot, add 500 grams bhindi pieces and stir to get it fried. Adding to hot oil will stop sticky secretion of bhindi. After 2 minutes of frying, add 150 grams dice cut onion and fry for 5 minutes more. As it turns light golden, remove from the flame and set aside. Now once again, heat 3 tablespoons oil and add 1 teaspoon jeera whole and roast it for few seconds. Afterwards, add a quarter of a teaspoon ajwain and roast together. Then, add paste of 4 green chili, 4 garlic cloves and a half-inch ginger piece, semi-crushed in a mortar. Fry and add the tomato paste. Moreover, add half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 3/4 of a teaspoon red chili powder. Mix, cover and steam cook for 2 minutes. As the masala starts leaving the oil, add a half cup yogurt and fry. When the contents starts leaving oil, add fried bhindi and mix thoroughly. Add dhania, anar dana powder, 1 tablespoon salt, a quarter of a teaspoon garam masala, mix again and steam cook for 5 minutes at low flame. Tasty masala bhindi is ready. Dish out to enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes.